Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Maria Paul and I am here from Arid Agriculture University. Excited to have you here today. Excited about the conversation we will get to have today on mouse. Invention. Initially, the mouse was formulated by Douglas in 1963 while working at Xerox PARC. But due to the Alto's lack of success, the first widely used application of mouse was with the Apple Lisa computer. Today, this pointing device is on virtually every computer. Background. Now, by giving you a brief note on the mouse, the name mouse was coined at Stanford Research Institute, derives from the resemblance of early model to the common small rodent of the same name. Definition. A small handheld device which is moved across a mat or flat surface to move the cursor on a computer screen. It contains cable which connect to USB port and computer. Wheel to scroll up and down. Right and left click to move cursor or select an object. There are many types of mouse. There are many kinds and varieties of mouse. A wired mouse connects directly to your desktop or laptop, usually through a USB port, transmit information via the cord. Varieties of mouse are as under, like Bluetooth, trackball, optical, laser, magic, USB, vertical, mechanical, and cordless mouse. These all are explained in the next slides. From this view, we can get some concept of mouse in our mind. Starting from the Bluetooth mouse, it is also known as a roaming mouse. A Bluetooth mouse is a computer mouse that uses radio waves to communicate wirelessly with the computer. Number 2. Trackball mouse. A trackball mouse is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensor to detect a rotation of a ball about to axis. Number 3. Optical mouse. An optical mouse is a computer mouse which uses a light source, typically a light-emitting diode, a light detector such as an array of photodiode to detect movement related to a surface. Number 4. Laser mouse. A laser mouse is a type of optical mouse that uses laser light to detect mouse movement. From these pictures, we can make a concept in our mind. Magic mouse. The Magic Mouse is a multi-touch mouse that is manufactured and sold by the Apple company, taking after the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and multi-touch trackpads. A USB mouse. A USB mouse is most used in the desktop as well as a laptop computer USB. It contains a port which connects it to a computer. Vertical mouse. Rather than laying your hand flat on the mouse to use it, you hold your hand vertically, much like you would during a handshake. The buttons on the Evoluent mouse are located right beneath your grasp, so you don't have to strain your hand to click anything. Mechanical mouse. A mechanical mouse is a mouse that contains a metal or a rubber ball on its underside. When the ball is rolled in any direction, sensors inside the mouse detect the motion and move the on-screen mouse pointer accordingly. And the last one is a cordless mouse. A cordless mouse, also known as a wireless mouse, is a mouse that connects to a computer without the use of wires. Internal structure of a mouse. It contains a wheel connected with an axle It has infrared LED which emit lights, a right button, left button, a sensor, a ball in a center. Function. The mouse is a handheld device that transmits your commands to the computer by controlling the movement of the cursor pointer on the screen. Daily life usage. Move the mouse cursor. The primary function is to move the mouse pointer on the screen. 1. Or execute a program. Select. A mouse also allows you to select text or a file or highlight and select multiple files at once. Drag and drop. Once something is selected, it can also be moved during the drag drop method. Scroll. When working with a long document or viewing a long web page, you may need to scroll up and down. To scroll, use the mouse wheel or click and drag the scroll bar. Performs other functions. Many desktop mice also have buttons that can program to perform any function. For example, many mice have two side buttons on the thumb portion of the mouse. The button closest to the palm can be programmed to go back to the previously viewed web page in the browser. By the excessive use of mouse, a person can suffer from a mouse arm syndrome, which has the symptoms of numbness, pain, stiffness, soreness, or tingling. There's a right way to use mouse. It is also preferable to use vertical mouse instead of a magic mouse or a mechanical mouse. By ending my presentation, I would like to allocate my work to our respected sir, Dr. Abdul Salam, as he is a spark, inspiration, and a pillar of success for me. I am thanking him for his efforts. Thank you very much.